everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with another video. Now, before I get into this video, I do want to thank my girl Kiana here on YouTube, my YouTube sister, my makeup sister, all that jazz. I have to thank her for, letting me know what's up, because she is the reason why I am doing this video. Now, as you guys can see by the title, this video is going to be a review slash first impressions, a company by the name of Lamazi Cosmetics on Instagram, and I went ahead and reached out to them, and they sent me one of their palettes and one of their lipsticks. So today I'll be doing some swatches, letting you guys see how the palette looks and give you guys my thoughts on the palette and the lipstick. Now, I have not used it yet. I'm waiting to use it. I have not used it yet, but I'm really excited to do these swatches for you guys because it looks super duper pigmented. So enough about that. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. So again, the products that I got is from Lamazi Cosmetics. So I will link everything down below in the description box as far as their Instagram and their website, so you guys can check them out. But they sent me their palette and they sent me a lipstick. Now, the palette that they sent me is their Party palette, I believe. It retails for about $18. The lipstick, I do not remember how much the lipstick is. I will look it up and let you guys know when I get to the swatch. But here is how the packaging looks. Very simple. It says Lamazi Cosmetics, all black. And then on the back, it has the ingredients. Now, when I did get this palette, it was wrapped up in bubble wrap, but I went ahead and took it off. So this is how the palette looks, similar to the box. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of gold shadow on it, and I'm going to tell you guys why. Now, unfortunately, when I got my palette, 3 of the shadows came broken, and I did put a little alcohol in it and smoothed it out. But today, when I opened the palette again, I saw that those same shadows were broken. So I went ahead and added some alcohol again. So unfortunately, it looks messy on those 3. Y'all will see. As soon as I open it, you guys will see it. So that's kind of bummer that 3 of the shadows came broken. But that's not Lamazi's fault or anything. I mean, this stuff goes through, the mail and all that stuff. Unfortunately, it just came broken. So I'll still be able to use it. So, I can always get another one, but I'm definitely going to use it. So here is how the palette looks. It came with the plastic protector, and here are the shadows that came broken that I had to redo. Now, I know y'all see this, and this palette is so beautiful. Like, you can just look at it and tell that this is a pigmented palette. So I really, really do like it. It has pinks, grays, shimmer, white. It's a combination of shimmer and matte shades, which I do love. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these shadows on my arm so you guys can see them. So first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna swatch the shimmers on this arm, and I'm gonna swatch the mattes on this one. So here are so these are the shimmers. They are really pigmented. Like, I know you guys can see that. And as I swatched them, they were pretty smooth. So that is really good. So these are the shimmer shadows. And then here are the matte shades. So most of the palette is shimmer shades, which kind of makes sense of why the palette is maybe called the Party palette. So most of the shades are shimmer, and you have about 6 mattes. So, I mean, nothing too bad. The mattes also went on pretty smooth. This is the yellow one. So, I mean, they're pigmented, but I will probably have a little bit of an issue with the yellow one and like the light green one. I will probably, of course, have to use like a little booster, like a very light concealer or something to make the color pop. We'll see when I use it for the first time. But I mean, aside from that, this palette is gorgeous. The pigmentation is everything. It's so smooth and all that stuff. I know my swatches are kind of terrible. Some of the shadows have a mixture of another color since those 3 shades were broken, so they kind of got in the way of the other shades, but I mean, it's cool. Now, I will have to look on their website because I was looking on their Instagram and I did not see like a price for the lipstick, but this is how the packaging for the lipstick looks. And this one is the number 9. So I don't remember if it's just numbers or if it has a name. I think it might just be numbers. Now, when she asked me to pick out a lip color, just based off looking at this lip color, the colors definitely match how they look on the website. So this one is like a red. Ooh, that is really pretty. So this is how the packaging for the lipstick looks. And then this is how the lipstick, this is a red. This is so pretty. This is really pretty. I'm curious. I can't wait to use this because normally I'm not really a huge fan of red lipstick. I kind of stopped wearing red lipstick. If you know me, I'm more of a dark tone. So I like more of like the burgundy and all that stuff and the wine color, but this is really pretty. I believe this is matte or it might be satin. I'm not too sure, I don't remember, but it's really, really pretty. So I want to thank Kiana again for letting me know that Lamazi was looking for some people to review their products. And I want to thank Lamazi for giving me the opportunity to review their products as well. So I'm really, really excited to use this palette very, very, very soon. And of course, I will film the look for you guys so you guys can see how exactly the shadows go on my eyes and all that stuff, how they blend and everything. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment down below. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one.
Bye.